Thank you for coming. My name is Igor Lokut. I'm CEO of Pharmaceutical. This is a Swedish company, and we are situated in Uppsala. Uppsala is a life science capital of Scandinavia. We are a public company which is located in local Swedish stock market. We have very unique business model in Pharmaceutical, which differs our company from majority of other small, middle-sized companies. And business model looks in this way. We take drugs from already existed small markets, and we provide new drug delivery systems, and in such a way we can significantly reduce the preclinical package for the development of these products. Then another key aspect of development that we used to use orphan drug designation status in order to make the development process even more efficient. In such a way, with orphan drug status in hand, we can significantly reduce time to market by so-called conditional approval of our drugs. I will go into details a little bit later. Unique business model, not only the only competitive advantage that we have in Pharmaceutical, we have keen expertise because, as I mentioned, we are situated in Uppsala. And we work in a multicultural environment, which is also very important for development of drugs. I will come to this issue also. And then we have several drug compounds in our pipeline, but we try to be very focused, and this focusing is also our competitive advantage. Just that we understand the process of drug development, you probably know, but in any way I have to say a couple of words about it. So the failure rate for drugs to come to market is very huge. After coming into clinical trials phase 1, the probability to get a product to the market is very low, about 5%. 95% just fail. And statistically speaking, it's necessary to have 20 drugs in a pipeline which enters clinical trials phase 1 in order to get just one drug on the market of these 20. And the cost is huge. Just for one efficient, one successfully developed drug, we talk about $350 million. And if we summarize at all cost for development of failed drug, we will come to $5 billion. So our business model enables to get product development in more efficient way and to get to the market very short time. So our frontline products are two. This is Temodex and SA33. Temodex for treatment of brain cancer, SA33 for treatment of cancers in liver. I start with Temodex. Temodex is a combinational product which consists of generic drug temozolomide, which the only globally approved product for treatment of brain cancers. It is generic, but just only one product. And Temodex consists also of temozolomide together with specially designed biodegradable polymer. We acquired this product less than 1 year ago from our Belarusian colleagues, and the drug is already marketed there since 2014 as first-line treatment of brain cancers. We have received orphan drug designation for this product from EMA a couple months ago. And this drug is applied locally, not systemically as standard generic temozolomide, but locally together with surgery. So the problem with systemically used temozolomide is that it is efficient only for minority of patients with brain cancer due to so-called MGMT repair mechanism, which removes methylated moieties after after reaction of DNA with temozolomide. So in such a way, or as I mentioned, only minority of patients are benefited from treatment. With Temodex, we can provide locally high concentration of temozolomide, and in such a way, this repair mechanism doesn't work. It cannot remove methylated fragments. So this is why Temodex is so efficient, and it was proven in clinical trials in Belarus, which showed that we can reach about 9 months median overall survival compared to standard of care. Standard of care, standard treatment now, which is globally recognized, is a combination of surgery, radiotherapy followed by systemic administration of temozolomide for those who can benefit for special MGMT status. So as I mentioned, Temodex is not a competitor for systemic temozolomide. This is a new, brand new approach which is basically used on top of standard care. Market is quite big. It will be about $1 billion United States dollars in several years. This data is not included. In this number is not included possible sales for Temodex when we will market this product globally. So as I mentioned, our business model. So we acquired Temodex from Belarus, which is extremely small market. And then we will market this product globally. So we don't need to use to make all R&D package. It is already done, and we have received orphan drug designation for this product, which means that we can come to market in quite short time. So basically, as we used to say, match is already almost over. So it's 3-0. So somebody has to come just to make a final score. For this product, we are looking for $10 million United States dollars. This is the investment which is necessary in order to get with this product to the market with conditional approval. And if everything goes well, we will start clinical trials for this product in Europe already next year. The second product that we have is CA33. It is designed for treatment of cancers in liver. Active pharmaceutical ingredient in this product is doxorubicin, which is also generic. Why doxorubicin? It is a well-known compound which is used for treatment of more than 20 different indications on the market since 60s or 70s. And we have orphan drug designation for this product. We received it last year. How it works? So we developed a special targeted drug delivery system which can target doxorubicin, not only doxorubicin, but majority of drugs to either liver or to the lung. We started with liver because, as I mentioned, we are focused, and we use doxorubicin because it is well-known drug. So how it works? Here we can see efficiency of our drug delivery platform. We compare standard doxorubicin, 5 milligram per kilogram dose, with our product with 4 times lower dose, 1.25 milligram per kilogram, and we can see the same concentration of doxorubicin in the liver. Once again, we decreased dose 4 times and get the same concentration in liver. Simultaneously, we decrease the concentration of doxorubicin in other tissues, not even 4 times that we could expect, but almost 10 times in heart tissue. It is extremely important due to doxorubicin is known for its cardiotoxicity. Market is very big for a liver cancer, despite the fact that it is orphan indication. And we've been in discussion with experts in this area, and they told us that our product, due to we can target it to the liver, we can use it for secondary cancers in liver, like metastasis from pancreas cancer, colorectal cancer, stomach cancer, and so on. So the only drug for systemic use, which is approved as first-line treatment globally, is sorafenib. It will be generic in several years. I will not go into details what does it mean. And we can benchmark our product potentially to this product, to sorafenib, and it is expected in a couple of years 1.5 annual sales, 1.5 billion US in annual sales, and keeping in mind that our product will be designed also for treatment of secondary cancers in the liver, I think we can get somewhere to 5 billion. And this is not only money, because if we can see on this picture, scientists, surgeons, doctors have done some progress in this area. We can see that we can manage treatment of different types of cancers. In this picture, we can see trends in mortality in 2 last decades. So we can see that stomach cancer, prostate cancer, colon and rectal cancer mortality is decreasing. But the only cancer with increased mortality in the last 2 decades, this is liver cancer. And this is very dangerous and very serious, and something has to be made here. The same copy-paste situation, so we have taken doxorubicin from existing markets, from different indications, made new drug delivery system, targeted drug delivery system, so we can skip a lot of R&D development work. With orphan drug designation in hand, we can reach market very efficiently. Timeline looking this way, we are ready with final preclinical package to start clinical trials to the end of this year. I mean, preclinical stuff will be ready, and we start clinical trials next year. So we are looking for potential partnership now, or investment in about 8 million. It will be sufficient for us to get this product on market. And this is our team. As I mentioned, Double Bond Pharmaceutical is located in the life science capital of Scandinavia, and we are a very devoted team who develop this product. Thank you.